Okay, here we are about 1:33 p.m. after the ice storm, and you can see a lot of the tree branches are coated in white. And you look down on the ground, nice sheet of ice there, front sheet ice. And look at my foot here, like Michael Jackson doing the moonwalk here. And now the ice is beginning to look a little more menacing because earlier this morning only the top of that black thing had ice on top, but now it seems to be forming a ring all around. You can imagine what it's doing to the power wires right now. And there's the car the wife has to use in a few hours, all frozen up. So, nice little situation. Can't wait for that solar warming. Or global warming, excuse me.